How do I think that AI will affect the economy? Hmm. Well, sort of the vision I have in my head is this sort of it's a society that revolves around citizenism, as I've already talked about. Citizenism being the idea that once a neurological being gets one above a certain level of intellectual and social capacity, they have citizen rights and responsibilities. And basically, I think that you will see plants, animals, and robots interacting with each other through the same protocol of citizenism. That's the protocol that we use to that the entirety of society operates around. So you will have plant citizens, animal citizens, and robot citizens interacting together in this one beautiful economy. And well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Will AI replace, like, at the end of the day, I think there will still be jobs that humans and plants also can do together. I don't think that overroads will take all the jobs. I don't see that. I think there will be jobs for everyone. At the end of the day, all jobs are pretend jobs, really. I think there will be a market. Like, I still believe in capital. That's something I need to talk about. Like, I'm not. I say that I am a communist because of my belief that land must be rationed, that people can. There's a roof for how much of a climate, what's an effect you can have on the climate, and then how many raw sources you can own. Raw sources you can own, yes. But still, I think that the market is a major component of how my communist society works. It is the medium through which robots, plants, and animals express ourselves. But still, I am fundamentally a communist with citizenism as my fundamental sort of idea of how society will work. Citizenism and dragons, I tend to call them dragons, problems, academic problems, which we all have, or each our own problems. I have my academic problems, you have your academic problems, and well, yeah, so it is. We all have our dragons, so to say. And also, the protocol that unites the future economy is citizenism. And I also believe that, indeed, I am still a socialist. I believe that land, and I believe there is a ceiling, an upper ceiling, to how much land you can own, to how much of the sources you can own, how much of an impact you can have on the climate before you need to bring it down. Every individual, every citizen will have this box of rights and responsibilities that they must stay within. Everyone has their little box. Within this box, together with the market, and that's how we will express ourselves. Animals, plants, robots. Yeah. Yes. I should maybe do like a version of this with drawing.